How to fix low call volume on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. The very first thing you want to do is while you are in the call, use the volume up button, or also you can open your control center and increase your volume from here. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is scroll down, open the option of accessibility, open it. Now head towards the option of touch. Scroll all the way down, click on the option call audio routing. Now set it to automatic. Likewise, head back. Now scroll down, open the option hearing devices. Now toggle on for this option hearing aid compatibility. Click on OK. Now head back. Now head towards the option of audio and visual. Scroll down. Toggle off for this option of phone noise cancellation. Once you apply all these settings, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is head back to the main page of settings. Go to the option general. Scroll down. Click on shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix low call volume on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.